Hi, in this video we'll talk on how to mass update the URLs inside the content. And the example here is the following. So we have the link embedded into the posts throughout Realm and Real Style. So this link leading to YouTube channel, and if you look right now at the left lower corner, you will see that link, youtube.com/user/Realm and Real Style. And we want to replace that link with a new one. And as soon as this link is embedded into the 100 of the posts, we would spend hours and hours of doing that post by post on an individual basis. So we want to update it in bulk. So let me copy this link. And I'm opening some kind of notepad and pasting it here. And we want this link to be replaced exactly with this one. So old and then new. Okay. In order of doing that, we want to go to our hosting account, and our current hosting account is Cloudways. So we want to go to Cloudways. Once you log in, it will look like that. So our RMRS main server. And we want to click the applications here. So follow my mouse, and we want to choose RMRS new application. And then we want to launch the database manager. Your situation could be different, and that database manager could be called PhpMyAdmin, but in essence they're pretty similar. Yeah, if we're gonna replace it with GoDaddy, that will be PhpMyAdmin. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this last part. And why I'm copying that without www? Because chances are that link embedded into the content is looking like that. So I don't know. That's why I'm copying this part only. Okay, I'm not copying any trailing slash because chances are there could be or could be not. So I'm copying exactly like that. So this part 100% should be included into the URL, right? And we don't pay attention to caps or small case. In our case, it doesn't matter. Let me return here and paste this into the search field and click search. So immediately we'll find the tables where this link is embedded. In our case, most probably we'll have the link like that in the post table. So let me first copy over the name of this table, and I will show you why later. Okay. And then I'm going to open this post, okay, in a new tab. So I opened that table right now. Now what we want to do now is to compile a snippet that will help us to run this SQL query, and in order to mass update the URL. So remember, we copied the name of the table. So we want to replace that WP posts, which is default WordPress name of a table, with our actual one. So look like that. Posts, so we want to update the post content here. We don't replace these parts. And instead of the old site URL, I'm copying exactly this part without HTTPS, www, because I don't know if it's included or not. So I'm going to replace it like that. And then for the new URL, I'm going to replace exactly the same without HTTP and www. Okay? So our snippet is ready. Let me copy over that whole part, this whole sentence, and go exactly to SQL comment here and click that. Then paste this comment into the field and click execute. So you see that immediately 221 rows affected, meaning that we just escaped the job of opening and editing more than 200 posts, which would take, well, you know how much time it would take. Now let me go back to my post and actually refresh the window. So that is user element role style, and let me now refresh the window and see if it actually changed. So that's exact link. Yeah, it's changed to realm and role style / YouTube. So it's updated. You may want to open other tables. ITsec log, that's for IT security, iTheme security plugin. We don't need those. Options, interesting. Let me open options. No, we don't need to update it here. Links. User. Let me update it here as well. So, 1 second, please. Link name, YouTube. So the link URL. This one is a little bit more tricky. So first one, we want to copy, of course, this links, the name of the table, coming back here and replace the post with the links because we're changing the name of the table. Then we want to see where that link resides, in which column, and it's called link URL, right? So we want to update the link URL. Let me go back, and instead of post content, click link URL, and same thing here. Oops. So we have the snippet ready. Let me copy over. Let me go back, click SQL comment as well, paste it, and click execute. So only one row affected, which is true because we saw that only in one place. Now we are ready, and whenever you update those URLs, chances are that you don't need all those tables. So the post should be efficient. Hope it makes sense. Thanks for watching. Bye.